So what exactly is Firefly Boards? Well, it's an infinite canvas to explore, compare, and refine your creative vision. Whether you're refining an idea you already have or you're looking for new ones, Firefly Boards is built for both. Sometimes you know what you want and you just need to shape it, and other times you're stuck and you need some inspiration to move forward. It's a space where everything comes together, and you don't have to switch between tabs and tools. And you don't have to start from scratch. You can bring in your own images, pull in things you've already generated in Firefly, or search and add Adobe Stock. I love using the stock image window to come up with ideas for mood boards. What's really cool is that your references, inspiration, and ideas can all live on the same canvas. Once you got a few things on the board, this is where exploration really starts. Let's say you have an image you like. Well, you can create variations of it, up to 16 at a time, or combine two ideas into new directions. Instead of guessing which version works, you can see options side by side. With an infinite canvas, you can just let your ideas and explorations flow. Place it on the canvas and keep going. As ideas evolve, you can refine them without resetting everything. You can erase unwanted objects, remove backgrounds, even expand an image, all while staying in the same board. You can also apply generative presets to explore different looks and styles quickly. Boards also helps you stay consistent as you explore. You can gather your ideas together on an artboard and export to share, or use alignment to keep things tidy. You can use images as references, combining a scene and a subject, revisit prompts from earlier results, and even explore fonts directly on the canvas. So you're building on ideas, not losing track of them. This is what makes Firefly Boards different. It's not about getting the perfect result right away. It's about giving yourself room to think visually. When you use Firefly Boards, you never run out of ideas. Infinite canvas, infinite possibilities. If you want to go deeper, I've got more videos on Firefly Boards, including presets, workflows, and ways to control your results. Start with the playlist next.